So for that, blue, I'm gonna mix this up really nice. Bell. So over here, I'm gonna add right here, and you will see the beautiful magic happen. This color is, just have a look at this. I'm gonna add this one line over here and other line. No, I'm not using any pearl pigment as of now. I haven't used. And then I'm going to add like a thin swollen middle. Alright, just a little bit on the corner. Add clear resin on the top, pushing all that pigment back. Now, what you all have to do is just watch how beautifully the resin pulls itself to the center. I'm not going to mess this even a single bit now. I'm happy with how it's turned up to now, and I hope this will turn good tomorrow. I want you all guys to try this effect exactly the way that I did, and let's see